What's up and welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today test drive is a 2006 Chevy Corvette. This one here's got 9,500 miles on it. It's like an LS7 under the hood. She is pretty much mint condition. There's going to be some flaws, I'm sure. I'm going to try to find them. That's what we do in these videos. We point out the flaws so you know exactly what you're getting. So be sure to stick around, check out the 100 detailed pictures. We have financing and shipping options available for you. And of course, every Monday we update with new inventory. The lot's full right now. This weekend was a large amount of cars came in, and of course, we're going to be listing them as we go. We got to get them ready. So as far as next week goes, we should have a really strong update. This week we had about 8 cars go on. Next week we're probably looking at more like 12. As for right now, we're going to take this down the road, check it out. It is a 6-speed car, so sit back, relax. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Looking around the interior, going to check everything out. Start her up. This thing is very nice on the inside. Everything works as it should. You can see on the dash there. All the gauges are coming up. This is a car with 9503 on the miles. Everything's just in good condition, good working order. So we're just looking around it, you know, checking it all out. I don't see even as much as a crack in the seat, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and take off here. Of course, you know, horn works on this one, AC works on this one. Nice and pretty. Let's take off. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take off down the road. We don't need gas. Should be a fairly easy test drive. Like I said, the car not even really broken in. It's like all the gauges and everything is working right. Showing about 19 miles per gallon. Clutch is letting out in a great spot. It feels good. Straight as an arrow. Everything feels nice and smooth. We'll do an undercarriage shot as long as my camera will fit under this car. And we'll head back to the lot, just kind of walk around, look at chips and scratches, if there is any at all. This is practically a new car. Brakes nice and smooth. Okay, over here getting to the parking lot. Let's get these outside shots and jump on over to picking out the flaws. So like there's some new people moved into this building over here. I think she does volleyball or something. She does not like cars. I don't think she likes me at all, but this is the second time I've encountered her. The first one was in a drag car and I was out here in the middle of the parking lot. She was throwing her arms up everywhere. And this time I kind of pulled forward. It's not her business over there, but it did the walk around. So if you look in the background of the walk around on this video, you can see her throwing her arms. She's going crazy. I didn't even say anything to her. I just left. Well, I'm a little bit further away from the door. Oh well, let's take off. Okay, yeah, let's roll out of here before she calls the cops on me or something for doing videos in her parking lot. I'm gonna kill her with kindness. I'm gonna bring her some cookies. No. All right, let's roll. I really like this car. You know, I just sold my Vet and I was wanting to get a little bit newer one. And that was mainly, well, the main reason I sold it is because I bought a house, so I had to upgrade a little bit. Let's roll on back to the lot now. This thing sounds awesome. This thing runs awesome. I love this Corvette. I want to get on it really hard, but I don't want to get on it really hard. With it having this low of miles, I think I'm just gonna, you know, play with it a little bit and take her back, put her in the garage, and we'll call it. Because this thing, I just did the walk around, like pointing out chips and scratches, and it looks awesome. There's barely anything. Putting patches in the road. I guess there was a pothole back there, and trying to avoid all that with this car. There's some right there too. I'm gonna go out wide. Those look pretty fresh. I'm not getting near them. Man, they're all over this road. I'm gonna have to avoid this road for the future test drives. Look at them. They're spaced out everywhere. Good deal. Didn't hear no crumbling. None of that stuff was getting up in the fender well. That stresses me out. This may be the easiest test drive that I've ever done. With it having this low miles, there wasn't nothing to pick. I think this is one of those videos that I didn't have to do. You could have just looked at the detailed pictures and understood that it's just like a brand new car almost. back to the lot. Now we're gonna do the walk around, picking out the flaws. So check it out, and I appreciate you watching. See you later. Okay, shouldn't be too many flaws, but we're gonna walk around it anyways, check everything out. I went ahead and popped the trunk. Okay, let's get started here. I do have 100 detailed pictures at the lot. The way you can see the undercarriage, I destroyed the screen protector on this camera here trying to get this shot, so it's just not gonna make it up under there. You got a few little scratches in the front on that lower plastic piece, but it looks like the paint job is in great shade. I'm not really seeing anything, and the front's gonna be where the chips are gonna be, and I'm not seeing any at all. Nope. Coming around this way, good tires, nice set of wheels. I'm looking for anything, guys. Little speck there. This car is literally near perfect. Spot here. It's got a little scratch there at the bottom. I believe that is a scratch. No, it's not. It's dirt. It's coming off. We must have picked that up from the test drive. This is gonna be a very short walk around. Everything's very clean. Might as well look in the trunk real quick. Like, everything's so clean on this car, it being this low mileage. I didn't figure we'd find very much. Couple little spots there that have been touched up. There's less than 10 chips on this car. Let's go ahead and check the interior out now. We'll go ahead and start her up, let the hood down. Bose speakers, the jam's nice and clean. I'm gonna have to go ahead and start it up so that I don't have to worry about the dinging anymore. You do got some spots in the seat where people are getting in and out, just crushing it down. Let's go ahead and start it up because that ding is very loud. Light little scuffs right there on the handle. Motor super quiet. Okay, I appreciate you watching, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share, hit like, And I'll keep these videos coming your way. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping, 100 detailed pictures. And of course, every Monday we update with new inventory. I appreciate you watching. See you later.